Mr. Judge, I know I've done wrong, but I hope my sentence ain't too long. I was on my way to the dance when a gang gave me one chance. Stand and fight or chicken, turn and run. Well, if I don't come back, tell Mama not to cry. Tell Betty Lou I love her. Tell the gang goodbye. Listen, guys, I said I'm coming through. Please don't make me use this brick on you. I'll be late to meet my girl if you start this rumble whirl. Step aside because I'm coming through. Well, if I don't come back, tell Mama not to cry. Tell Betty Lou I love her. Tell the gang goodbye. Dirty Red, you were my dearest friend, but I know our friendship has got to end. Better stop those things you do, 'cause that gang thought I was you. Change your ways or wind up in your grave. But if I don't come back, tell Mama not to cry. Tell Betty Lou I love her. Tell the gang goodbye.